shadow, a soft cry. The ground shakes, but I stand by. Trapped in the darkness, so cold, so empty. The world sees me as no one, as not much more. But as the blood soaks the ground, something rises to guide me. A system, a light, a path for me alone. I take up the fight, the fire burns pure. I am the weakest, but I rise through flames and shadows in an endless run, level by level. I break time, the world will tremble before my might. Ready! The gates open, the abyss calls. The monsters lurk, but I feel the scent of victory and freedom, of strength and power. I am the player born for battle. The voices inside me whisper loudly, you are more than they ever believed. I fight alone but carry the burden for those I love. I almost fall. I am the weakest, but I rise through flames and shadows in the endless run, level by level. I break time, the world will tremble before my might. Ready! The truth is hidden deep within the gates. The system a riddle that reborns me. A king of shadows, a hunter in the light. I will fight until the dark